This week kicks off the Chinese New Year, which is also known as the Spring Festival. It's a time for celebrating and for spring cleaning, where it's a tradition to sweep away the bad fortune to make way for good luck. And since we believe every holiday or festival needs sweets, we want to share a classic cookie that may bring you luck. We begin by creaming together some butter, sugar, an egg, water, and some almond extract. After that's well blended, we add some flour and baking powder. Make sure you do this slowly so you don't end up with a big mess. Now we scoop or roll the dough into 1-inch balls and place them on a baking sheet. And to get these just the right shape, we flatten them with the bottom of a glass and sprinkle them with sugar. Then we top each with an almond and we bake them off. That's all there is to it. What we end up with is a melt-in-your-mouth cookie that's bursting with flavor. You can whip these up start to finish in less than 30 minutes. To get the recipe for our Chinese Almond Rounds, all you need to do is check out our website, and hopefully these cookies will bless you with good fortune. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a lucky, festive way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.